Welcome to Anyone Can Do This. My name is Floyd Wilson. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to break down an old chicken into 8 parts. I have a towel or rag or something at the bottom. That means that this board wouldn't move when you're cutting, right? So safety. Safety is first, okay? Next, you need a chef knife. You know, right in your kitchen you have a chef knife. This is my chef knife, okay? And then the main star of this video, chicken. The reason why it's good to learn to break down your chicken, or your old chicken, it's cheaper in the long run and you save a lot, okay? And remember, you support the leg like that, okay? You see the skin. Then you put your knife like this and you pull. Don't go, whoop, no. Pull, right? And then you just pull. And then you search for the joint. Okay, you see what I'm doing? Right? This fat is in your way here right now, right? You see this fat? What you do, you hold the fat up like that and you cut it off. Okay. Make sure your hands are not under the bird like that, right? Your hands are like this and you just go like that, right? So as I cut the skin, notice it's using the tip of the knife here right now, right? See, disconnect. Then there's an oyster piece of meat here. This meat here, you just cut it because you don't want to leave that there. Okay. Just want to show you this side. See, you want to get as much meat at the back as possible. Okay. That's your leg and your thigh. You want to cut off the drumstick from the thigh, okay? Just rest your knife on that fat line there. Around there. And remember, don't worry if you make one cut and it didn't happen. You will find it, right? And you just push your knife like that. Okay? The reason why I'm going that slow is just to show you. I don't want to go through it like a professional does, right? So I just want to show you, right? We're gonna take the back off. This is the back, okay? So how we take this back off, you could either use a scissors and cut it or your knife, okay? Like this, and make sure you support it properly before you cut. And you go like that, right? Cut through the rib. Okay, so this is the back. We can get back to that in a minute, okay? So now, this is where the prime is, the prime meat here, the 2 breasts, okay? A lot of people like that, and that's a very expensive piece of meat you're looking at here right now. So a couple of things, you could have cooked this on this bone like that, if you wish to, right? Season it, salt, pepper, whatever you want to put it and cook it like this, and have that for dinner or lunch, right? But in this case here, we're gonna keep everything on the bone, okay? So what we do here now, we cut right in the middle, cut it down. Here's your 2 breasts. For this purpose of this demonstration, I'm not gonna take it off the bone. Else I would have do that before. We just wanna cut this up, okay? If you remember, if you want skinless chicken breast, you could take this off, the skin off, but we don't want in this purpose here, right? What I will do with this, you could do 2 things with this. You could use it for a stock, or in some country, this is a very valid pieces of meat here. I know there's a lot of bone, but in some culture, my culture too, we use this to make like a curry chicken, that's what I'm gonna do with it. I make curry. Okay, so here I have an old chicken cut up, which is about roughly 10 pieces. Okay.